Good evening, everyone. Namaste to all. So let's see how Nifty has performed in the last week. What are the crucial resistance support which Nifty had traded in the last week, and how it can perform this week and on coming Monday. So let's get started with the video, Nitish.
Hi guys, I'm Nitish. So let's get started with the analysis. So we are seeing Nifty on the monthly basis that the structure is pretty positive as of now, and we'll have to move on to the weekly time frame to see the other important things. Okay, so here we are. We can see that Nifty made an inside candle this week, and as we predicted in a previous video, that there are pretty huge chances of Nifty making an inside candle. We can see that Nifty didn't break the crucial levels, the previous candle high, which was around 25,120. This
Hmm.
and the previous candle low, which was around 24,400.
Yeah.
You
So
can refer to a you can refer to a previous video for that, and let's see what how Nifty can perform in this week.
first we can discuss how it has performed in the last week. Like, if you can move on to that daily candle and 15 minutes candle, so we can see what are the crucial levels in which Nifty has traded last week. So,
Okay, so here we are at the daily time frame.
hmm,
So we can see that from quite some time Nifty has been in a range. Like this has been the
ah,
range, and previously also Nifty had been in a range, and it gave a breakout, and we saw some trending days, and
right,
still Nifty we can see like from the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, from the past around 10 trading
10,
sessions,
10
Nifty is in
trading
a
days.
range. Yeah, so we can expect in the upcoming 1, 2 or 3 days Nifty to break this range or this range.
Yeah. So, like, uh, this is how Nifty has performed last week, right? So, these are two major support and resistance you can say, like 25, 130 around, and 24, 420. So, these are crucial support and resistance for Nifty in which
Yeah.
it has traded last week. And what all crucial trade we have traded last week on 15 minutes candle? Can we move to the 15 minutes candle now?
So we can move to that.
Like
Okay.
how it is performed, like it is totally sideways or like it is volatile, like we can discuss that thing.
Yeah, from around this level 24,480, we saw
Hmm.
like buyers getting active and the market taking
Right.
support, and then on Friday the I think the market went completely sideways, and
Hmm.
from this area 24 around 24,900 the market started taking rejection again and again, and
Hmm.
the market just went completely sideways. So what we can expect to happen on Monday? Okay, so first scenario is the market remains like opens flat and spends some time and gives a breakout, and if
Hmm.
that happens we can see that the market is going to touch at least 25 120. If it no, not
Yes.
120, 25 20, 25
25
20.
20, 25 20. So like
If
this
it,
is you can plan for a call trade like on 15 minutes if you
yeah,
have to, like if you want to trade on a intraday trading you have to do, so you can plan a trade. Like if market goes above, like I've written the levels, crucial levels, so I think the crucial level would be 24 920. If it goes above that level, like if it closes the candle above that level,
it,
it can goes
if it,
at least for around
if it
25 20, right?
yeah, if it gives a like a good 20 15 minute closing, a
Yes.
strong green candle about 25 24 920,
Yeah.
like above this region we can expect the market to reach at least like 25 20 this
Yeah.
area.
Yeah, you
If
can
in
capture a move
parallel,
of around 100 points here
yeah,
easily.
25 20 25 30,
Hmm.
this is gonna give a good like a call side trade. And
Hmm.
the other scenario is that if the market opens flat and we can see that the market on the last trading session market was
Small,
rejecting from this area.
small pullback we can see
Yeah,
till
we can
around 750 level.
yeah, the second scenario would be the market spends some time and then comes
Hmm.
down, and from around roughly around this region
750.
25 750, and
Yeah.
then it gives some reversal pattern like a W and then gives a trade.
Yes.
That's gonna be an even better trade, and you can
Yeah.
capture even more points.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think in that scenario we can plan a trade for around 24 900. Then, as we have
yeah.
just
In
told
this
before,
scenario,
like,
what can happen? The market can come down until here and then spend some time and makes a reversal pattern or something.
hmm,
Then in that case, our first target is gonna be 24 920.
24,900 and then 25,
Yeah,
20.
20. Like you can book partial profits here, or like you
Hmm.
can trail your, yeah, you can trail your profits or whatever.
Hmm. So this is the
Sure.
scenario in which in which we can plan a call trade. But if
Yeah.
we come to a put trade, let me see what levels I mark for that.
For
So
that, we have to go to the weekly time frame again.
yeah, yeah. First, see we can see a weekly time frame on for that.
Okay, so one more important point which we are seeing, like if in this week the market gives the closing, I think below, uh,
24,880.
no, no, 20, below 24,500. I'm talking
Okay,
about something else.
okay.
If the market tends to give a closing below 24,500,
Hmm.
in that case we are gonna enter a completely range bound market, and the
Hmm.
market is going to remain for sideways for at least two or
Sideways,
three weeks.
2 or 3 months.
In that case,
Like it will
yeah,
take time to give a breakout or to reach
yeah,
a new high.
exactly. See, then let's move on to the monthly time frame, see what's happening. The market has made three strong bullish candles, then we can
Hmm.
expect a like inside candle and the market to
Hmm.
consolidate
Yes,
in that
yes.
case.
But
Yeah,
this is
if
very less likely to happen. Like
yeah, because the
most
trend is
probably,
pretty positive.
yeah. And like there is no
And
any negative news in the market overall in the world or economy. There is like
yeah,
no negative news or negative thing planned for at least 2 or 3 months.
exactly. If that was the scenario, then the market would
Hmm.
have spent some time here, which didn't happen after it fell, and it just completely recovered. We can see
Yes,
like how long the
yeah.
wicks here is.
Buyers are getting active in the market, so
Yeah. We are getting to see aggressive buying these days.
hmm. So yeah. So like we can see how
Let's look.
yeah daily
Yeah,
time
we are
frame
back
or
in the
15 minutes.
15-minute time frame.
Yes. So, like we are discussing about the put trade, right? So,
Yeah,
first level which I have written here, it is around 24,880. So, if our 15 minutes candle like below this level, so you can plan a trade for around 24,800 and
yeah,
24,750.
exactly. Yeah, exactly. I think 24,820
24,
would be the level.
24,880. If it broke the level of 24,880, break the level of 24,880, then you can plan a trade for 800 and 750.
No, like the market is already at 24,850. So how can
Hmm.
we expect it to, like it goes there and then takes rejection?
Yes, yes, but it should be a
Yeah,
red candle
exactly.
and 15 minutes red candle.
Yeah, exactly. If it touches this area and we are
Hmm.
seeing that it's taking rejection and it makes a strong like a red candle in the 15 minute, then we can expect it to go till this point.
But
You can
this
plan
is
a trade for it.
very unlikely to happen. Like this is a
Yeah,
risky trade,
that's
you can
unlikely
say.
to happen. That's a risky trade. It
Hmm.
would be better to just watch the markets in that
Hmm.
case and not
Yes.
do anything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like 70% scenario will be like market will go up. Like you can plan a trade for call. But
yeah.
30%
So
the probability is like it can go downwards and then it will come back again up on
exactly.
upside.
Okay, so the most ideal scenario would be the market opens sideways, spends some time, and then tends to go up and gives a breakout. Then you can plan a 100-point trade till at least
Yes.
25-20.
Yeah. But like according to my analysis and according which we are seeing on the charts, like there's not much in this coming week for market. Like
At least for Nifty.
but we can see a good trade in Bank Nifty this week. But
Yeah,
according to me and my analysis, like with the thing which I am seeing on the chart, so I am not seeing any good trade or any big trade in this week,
yeah,
specifically in
yeah.
Nifty. Like it is like most
Exactly.
probably it will remain sideways or only 100 points up or down move we can see. Like according to
Yeah.
me,
Basically, like yes, exactly. Basically, we can plan that only.
yeah, I
And
think it will
but
be
the thing is,
small green candle which I am like I
yeah.
am
Let's go
planning
to
to
the weekly
see
time frame.
in the charts for this week.
Yeah, yeah. For this week, we can plan for a candle like this.
Small green candle.
Yeah, small green candle
Yeah,
with a like little bit of wicks.
a little bit of it, yeah, for getting our stop losses hit and all.
Yeah. Operators are active these days pretty much.
Yeah. So
But
I
but if the
think
market
yeah.
but if the market breaks this area and gives a closing in the weekly time frame over
Hmm.
this, then we are gonna like hit a new all time high pretty soon. Not pretty soon, but like in the coming 1 or 2 months.
Yeah, we can plan
Then you can,
like 2 months it will take to hit like
yeah,
break a take like break reach that level of 26 whatever it is 26
yeah, we
something.
can see that. we had a huge resistance here, very powerful
Hmm.
one, and the market is spending some time, so that's a pretty good scenario. The market is
Hmm.
consolidating at a resistance, and when it gives a breakout, we are gonna see the market making a new all-time high
Yeah, I think it
in
will
the
most
upcoming
probably
2 months.
it will take around 2 3 weeks to break this level, and then 2 3 weeks more to
Yeah,
reach that level of previous high.
yeah. Like in the month, we can see a new all-time high in the month of July, like July
July
mid or
end,
July.
July end, yeah, July
July
end we
end.
can plan.
Like the market would need like around 5 to 6 months, 5 to 6
Hmm.
weeks for
Hmm.
that.
Yeah, right. So I think we have covered all the points for Nifty. Let's discuss shortly, like briefly on Bank Nifty
Yeah.
also about
Okay.
key support and resistance. I just wrote them down in a piece of paper, so I will just discuss them.
Sure. So we are on the monthly time frame for Bank Nifty.
Hmm.
So trend looks pretty positive. Buyers are
Yes.
active, and the market made a pretty good consolidation candle here after making two powerful bullish candles. So that's a
Yeah.
pretty good sign for Bank Nifty as well. And let's move to the weekly time frame to see how it can perform in this week.
So in Bank Nifty, you can see a good up move. Like it, we can reach up to 56,000 level very easily on this Bank Nifty.
Yeah, yeah, very pretty easily. Like let's mark it.
Yeah, like you can see the consolidation of 4 to 5 weeks. I think the
Yeah, see
market
the
is
market.
trading in same levels.
Exactly. See, the market made two pretty bullish candles, and then
Hmm.
from around 5 weeks, it's just consolidating. So
Yeah.
we can expect the consolidation to end like this week, and at
Yes.
least wait,
56,000 we can see at least.
yeah, market not 54,850, but 56,000,
56,000. Yeah, 56,000. Right. So
and
like on
let's
on
we'll
like
have to
if
we'll
you
have to
yeah
we'll have to move to the daily time frame to see which level it breaks first, and then it can reach at that point.
450 level I have marked for that. Like if it breaks the 450 level, then we can plan a upgrade for 56,000.
Yeah, we can see that the market just keeps on like falling from this area around 54
Hmm.
450 or 54
Hmm.
500. If it
Yeah.
tends to give a closing in the like 15-minute time frame above this
Hmm.
region, then we can expect Bank Nifty touching like
56
56,000
56,000, right. And it can
easily.
also break its previous high, and then we can see more highs in Bank Nifty specifically.
easily
Like
easily like
uh,
the Bank Nifty
it's better
in the
to trade
weekly
in
time
Bank
frame.
Nifty, like compared to Nifty. It's better
Exactly.
to trade in Bank Nifty this week. Like,
Exactly, another point is that we are
hmm,
going to see the monthly expiry of Bank Nifty this week,
yes. So I think
so we
this
can
week will be good for Bank Nifty
for
to
Bank Nifty.
trading.
the, and like the it has consolidated in a picture
Hmm.
perfect manner. Like we can't expect
Yes.
a better consolidation than this, and
Yeah.
we can expect the consolidation to end this week, and
Yeah.
Bank Nifty making a strong bullish candle like this. Not a very
Yes.
strong, but like a bullish candle like this.
Yeah. Yes.
It just has to break this resistance,
Yeah.
54 450 to 50.
Yeah.
Like if it crosses 55 500, Bank Nifty is just gonna burst.
Yes. And like in the upcoming weeks also, we can see the levels of around 57, banks trading the levels of 57,000 and all, right?
Yeah, that's gonna take
Because
around 4 to 5 months. We can't
yeah.
predict how much upside it's gonna go once it breaks it.
So like Nifty is also in a good bull run, and Bank Nifty is also supporting the same. So we can see Bank Nifty hitting the new highs like around 57,000 in upcoming months. Like it will take same time, 1 or 2 months. Like we have discussed this thing
Yeah,
for Nifty also.
we can
So
see
it
Bank
will,
Nifty making a
yeah.
new all-time high.
Yeah, but like as you guys know, like Bank Nifty is more likely to get affected by the news and all. So if you can see a good news for Bank Nifty, so it's better to trade in Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty gets more affected by the news and all.
Yeah, it's comparatively more volatile than Nifty.
Yes.
Another thing which we discussed that's a bit less likely to happen, but let's talk about that in Nifty.
Okay.
And the same will stand true for Bank Nifty as well. Like as we discussed earlier, like if Nifty tends to break this area, not break, but they were closing in this week till this area, then we can expect Nifty to fall a bit more. And let's mark it.
I
If
think
it like
24,000 level, we can see 24,000 level
yeah,
if
like
it
in this
breaks
week, if the
450.
Nifty, if Nifty gives a closing until here, like it goes a bit down and it closes here, then there's a pretty huge gap pending in the market as well.
Hmm.
Here it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it breaks this,
24,000.
not breaks it, even gives a closing until here, then
Hmm.
we can expect the market to fall pretty more and fill this gap which is pending.
Yes. Yes.
Then we
Yes.
can then we can easily see the market touching like 24,000 level in the next week.
Hmm.
If in this week that's okay. So last time Nifty touched this area, we saw
Ah.
pretty huge buying. Another time
Hmm.
it touched this area, we again saw pretty huge buying. So all the
Yeah.
scenarios can't be same every time. So if
Right.
Nifty tends to go down like here, this
Yeah.
and gives a weekly closing, then
Yeah.
like that we are gonna see this level Nifty touching this level pretty soon, like in the
24,000.
next
Right.
to next week. And
Yes.
there's a gap ending as well, so that
Yeah.
supports my analysis.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a trade you can plan for a down trade. Like if you are planning for put
Yeah,
side, you can play it, take this trade accordingly.
but it's gonna take some time.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
it's not
But
gonna happen this week. Next
yeah.
to next week.
Yeah. But this is a very less likely to happen. This thing is
Yeah,
very
that's
less likely
less
to
likely
happen.
to
So
happen.
so yeah. So I
So I think
think
everything is covered now. So
yeah.
let's put the video.
Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching our video. We will bring some more strategies video tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We will see how it goes, and we will bring some good content for you. So keep watching our videos and keep subscribe to our channel and make sure you like to our videos. So thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Trade safe, trade smart, and follow for more.
Yeah.